Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a flip through of my completed summer 2025 in a 6x8 robin's egg blue simple stories album. I used a project kit from the Layle By Mail shop, so it was like 3 hours of classes, videos, tutorials to make her happy summer mini album, and she also includes the PDF to the kit as well. So this album was pre-made before the summer started, which I think made me have so much success in the completion of it. So we are complete, it's done, and actually school starts tomorrow, so I was just finishing up my journaling, and I'm so happy I did this ahead of time and just had to print the photos as I needed them to include for memories, and then write the stories. So I will have before this one probably the chattier version. So if you want to know product and what was made, pre-made, and what was my modification, it will be in that one. This one is just a quiet flip through so that you can just see the pages. Okay, so let's get started.